Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for always choosing Rebikit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, delicacies, and African traditional foods. So, guys, if you're new in this channel, please consider subscribing and view the videos and share. Remember also the notification bell as well. For the returning subscribers, I salute you. Thank you so much for your support. And if you're not ever been a member, please browse the membership so that you can join the family. So guys, today I'm back with this recipe, and the recipe I'm going to do is about tortilla wrap. So guys, this recipe is, in most cases, people buy them from the supermarket, and as you know, supermarket they might not be that fresh, so but it's good to do it at home. So tortilla wraps are very important because we use them for breakfast ideas for breakfast. And in fact, after this I'll do for you a video that I've used tortilla wrap, and we also use them for sandwiches. So please view this video until the end. Make sure you share. Let's get to the cooking. This is the bowl that I'm going to use to make my dough. So for this tortilla wrap, these are the ingredients and the recipes. So first, I have all-purpose flour, I have corn flour, I have milk powder, I have salt, I have sugar, I have baking powder, and I have some salad, vegetable salad. So just to be concerned with the measurement, depending on the number of pieces that you want. I hope you know what tortilla wraps are. These are more or less like chapatis, but they are very thin and very light. That's why I've used not so much ingredients. So just to let you know, this is just a third of all-purpose flour. This is a third of all-purpose flour. This is a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and a half spoon of baking powder. And then I have corn flour, a half of it, and then I also have a third of milk powder. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. So here with me also I have some oil. I'm going to use just 2 tablespoons of oil, and the reason why I'm going to use this oil is just to make my tortilla to be soft, and I can keep it for quite some time. And lastly, we have water, and water has to be warm, so keep tuned. By mixing up everything first, I'll use my free hand so that I be efficient in whatever I'm doing. So I'll mix up everything. Then this is the warm water. I'll be adding it simultaneously. So guys, keep tuned. So guys, you can see this is my dough. It is so soft. So it has to be soft for you to have a very soft wrap. It has to be soft. So keep tuned as we move to the next step. This is my dough. You can see how soft it is. So just going to start making my tortilla. So the next step, first I will roll them. prepare it, however small it is. And in fact, it's the one I'm going to start with. So guys, these are my dough for tortilla wraps. So next, I'm going to roll it. But before I do that, I'm going to make sure that I heat my pan ready, because once I do them now, I'll be cooking them. So keep tuned. The tiniest one that I started with. So what I'm going to do, I'll just place it there. So when you're doing them, we don't do them with oil. We just do it just like that without oil. So keep tuned. So guys, that is one of them. But still, this is the smallest one that I started with. So I'm still going to do the rest. So keep tuned. So it has to be thin, guys. So let's continue. This is how you make them, and you don't need to put any oil, add any oil at all. Yes, so this way. So this is how we make tortilla wrap. So I'll continue the same way. So I'll continue the same way. This is how we do them. We use them for making some breakfast tips or ideas. We use them for sandwiches. And guys, in my next video, please check out and see how I've used them in making some breakfast idea. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please try it out. Avoid buying tortilla wraps from the supermarket. You can also make it on your own. And guys, you can see how many, the way there are so many. This is a lot. So by making them for yourself, you will find it much cheaper. So thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.